Another day, another front lip down. Thank goodness this one was not carbon. It'll be like 80 bucks to fix, no big deal. That's gonna be a little bit more. That's a story time right there. Another boring day today. Got a couple errands to run. Let's do it. Does anyone else put their keys right here? And I love how some cars have like a specific compartment for it. That's crucial. Holy sh... Bro. This car is so stupid. Tunnel? Scare the people? Exactly why my front lip breaks all the time, bro. Just little dips in the road, man. Cop? It's a rent-a-cop. I feel like a car with 4 doors, plenty of trunk space should not be able to get to 100 that quick. Or not 100. Variable speeds. We're in Mexico. None of this is real. Uh-oh, tunnel time. This sound range right there, like above 4K, is ridiculous, dude. That sounded dangerous. And I still scraped, man. How is that even possible? Can't throw this one. Next stop is the ATM over there. I'm telling you, man, every time I look back, man, it gets a little less ugly. I don't know. Especially with the tune and everything now, bro. It's like you just bought your girl some new titties and you fall in love with her again. It's hot outside. Got one more stop. We're going to the mall. Nice little Saturday of errands. We got college football later today, little Ohio State, Texas, couple other bangers. What are you guys thinking, scrape? Oh, that's as scrape heavy as I've ever seen. This is so fucked. Eric, how do your lips explode all the time? Look at this. Look at the angle that I'm at right now, bro. Even the Range Rover almost scraped. Yeah, hang on, it's cooked, bro. Hey, it actually just broke again. That's insane. By the way, sorry if that screen's distracting. I don't know what it is about like the refresh rate of the screen or whatever. It doesn't do it on my Corvette, or like it doesn't do it on this screen, but there's something about frame rate that's just not working out. Wait. There's a little dip right here as well. It's just so crazy. Jesus. Oh, this lane is turn only. Am I fried? Someone gonna be sleeping? That guy is sleeping. Woo! Cybertruck now. By the way, the USB-C in this car charges so fast. I don't know what the wattage is, but it gets my phone hot. mad, guys. We'll go ahead and turn the burbles off real quick. Be normal people, civilized, if you will. Park next to this nice Mustang. Hey, am I wrong? Hang on. Or would these actually be super sick if they just put a V8 in it? I didn't realize that every single one of these SUV Mustangs is electric. Boo! They could really do something. Ford should make a super SUV. I didn't even realize I'm gonna leave that in there. Let's hope and pray. I'm gonna be there for like 10-15 minutes. I think it'll be all right. I mean, if you're not looking back at it every single time, I don't know what to tell you, man. Besides an RS6, besides an E63S, I think this is the best daily driver you can get, especially under 100 bands. I mean, yeah, you can probably get a used M5, which I would argue is probably the only car that's like better than that every single day. Pretty much that, but faster, and you get massage sheets. So, hey, I'll take that. Thanks for driving along with me. I will see you guys in the next one. Stay safe on those roads. Please like, comment, subscribe if you're new. I'll see you on the next one. Peace. A lot of content coming.